What if I told you that 6 specific health conditions turn cinnamon from friend to enemy? What if the very reason you're taking cinnamon, to manage diabetes, support heart health, or boost your immune system, is exactly why you shouldn't be taking it? What if that bottle of cinnamon supplements in your medicine cabinet contains the same active ingredient found in prescription blood-thinning medications? And what if millions of people are unknowingly putting themselves at risk every single day, all because they believe the myth that natural always means safe? In today's video, we'll explore the possible dangers of cinnamon before you add it into your morning tea. Is cinnamon truly safe for everyone? Or are there certain groups of people who should avoid them entirely? Cinnamon is frequently promoted as a powerful spice, rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds. This aromatic bark may help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, support heart health, boost brain function, and provide antimicrobial benefits. The spice contains potent antioxidants and compounds like cinnamaldehyde that can help protect cells and fight inflammation. But unfortunately, for some people, consuming cinnamon can actually be dangerous. Curious if you might be affected? If you answered yes, the next few minutes could literally save your life. Before we begin, we'd like to know about your experience. Have you incorporated cinnamon into your diet? If so, how? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below. If you have any of the following 6 health problems that I'm going to share with you, it's best to avoid cinnamon. Watch until the end, because if you belong to the last group, eating cinnamon could be fatal. 1. Blood disorders. If you're taking blood-thinning medication, cinnamon can turn your prescribed treatment into a dangerous gamble. The coumarin in cinnamon has the same effect as medications like warfarin. It prevents blood from clotting properly. When you combine prescribed blood thinners with regular cinnamon consumption, particularly supplements or extracts, you're essentially doubling up on the same mechanism. This isn't a minor interaction. Blood that's too thin doesn't clot when it should, which means a small cut can bleed for hours. Or worse, internal bleeding can occur without warning. The danger is that the effects aren't immediately obvious. You might not realize anything is wrong until you notice excessive bruising, bleeding gums, or that minor injuries won't stop bleeding. The irony is that many people taking blood thinners are also trying to manage their health naturally, so they turn to supplements like cinnamon for its supposed cardiovascular benefits. They don't realize they're creating a potentially life-threatening situation. The body doesn't distinguish between coumarin from a pill prescribed by a doctor and coumarin from a natural supplement bought at the health food store. 2. Mouth ulcers. People who regularly get mouth ulcers might not think twice about their spice consumption, but cinnamon can trigger the very condition they're trying to avoid. Mouth ulcers often develop from allergic reactions or sensitivities to certain foods and additives. For people prone to these painful sores, cinnamon acts as an irritant that can turn a minor sensitivity into a full-blown outbreak. The mechanism is straightforward. Cinnamon contains compounds that can trigger inflammatory responses in sensitive individuals. If your mouth is already prone to developing ulcers, whether from stress, certain foods, or underlying digestive issues, adding cinnamon to your diet is like adding kindling to a fire. What makes this particularly frustrating is that mouth ulcers can create a cycle. The pain makes eating difficult, which affects nutrition, which can make you more susceptible to stress and further outbreaks. People suffering from chronic mouth ulcers often try various remedies and dietary changes, but they rarely consider that something as common as cinnamon might be contributing to their problem. 3. People with liver problems. The liver processes everything that enters your body, including the coumarin in cinnamon. For healthy individuals, this isn't a problem. The liver can handle normal amounts of coumarin without difficulty. But if your liver is already compromised by conditions like cirrhosis, hepatitis, or fatty liver disease, adding extra coumarin to the mix can push an already struggling organ past its limits. Coumarin is metabolized by the same liver pathways that process many medications and toxins. When the liver is damaged or diseased, these pathways don't work efficiently. This means coumarin can build up in the body instead of being properly eliminated, leading to further liver damage in a destructive cycle. The problem is compounded by the fact that many people with liver conditions are trying to manage their health through diet and supplements. They might turn to cinnamon supplements for their supposed benefits, without realizing they're potentially making their liver condition worse. It's a cruel irony that someone trying to improve their health could inadvertently damage the very organ they're trying to protect. 4. Pregnancy. Pregnancy is a time when women become hypersensitive to what they put in their bodies. But cinnamon often flies under the radar because it seems so innocent. The reality is that cinnamon can stimulate uterine contractions, potentially triggering premature labor or miscarriage. This isn't about the small amounts found in food. A cinnamon roll isn't going to cause problems. The danger comes from concentrated forms like supplements, extracts, or therapeutic doses that some women take for blood sugar management during pregnancy. The compounds in cinnamon that can affect blood sugar are the same ones that can stimulate smooth muscle, including the muscle of the uterus. Pregnant women often turn to natural remedies to avoid pharmaceutical interventions, not realizing that natural doesn't always mean safe for pregnancy. The developing fetus and the changing physiology of pregnancy create unique vulnerabilities that don't exist at other times in a woman's life. What's safe for a non-pregnant woman can be dangerous for someone carrying a child. The same concerns extend to breastfeeding mothers. While the research is less clear about the effects during lactation, the general principle remains. Concentrated amounts of any bioactive compound should be approached with caution when there's potential impact on both mother and child. 5. People taking blood pressure medications. Cinnamon contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde that may help reduce blood pressure slightly. This natural effect can be beneficial for some people, but it creates potential risks for those already taking blood pressure medications, such as beta blockers, ACE inhibitors, or calcium channel blockers. The combination of cinnamon supplements with these medications could cause blood pressure to drop to dangerously low levels, leading to dizziness, fainting, or other complications. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 6. If you are allergic to cinnamon. A cinnamon allergy occurs when the immune system mistakenly identifies proteins in cinnamon as harmful, triggering an allergic reaction. While uncommon, affecting only 2–3% of people with food allergies, it can cause serious symptoms. Cinnamon allergy symptoms include nausea and stomach pain, diarrhea and vomiting, hives, rashes, or skin blistering, facial swelling or tingling, dizziness or fainting, difficulty breathing. Emergency warning. In rare cases, cinnamon can cause anaphylaxis, a life-threatening reaction requiring immediate medical attention. Signs include severe breathing difficulties, sudden blood pressure drop, and loss of consciousness. If you suspect a cinnamon allergy, consult an allergist for proper testing. They can perform blood tests or skin prick tests to confirm the diagnosis and help you develop a safe management plan. The fundamental issue underlying all these risks is that people treat cinnamon as if it's impossible to have too much of it. They wouldn't take extra blood pressure medication or double their diabetes drugs, but they'll consume cinnamon supplements without thinking about dosage or interactions. The safe amount of coumarin is approximately 0.1 milligram per kilogram of body weight. For most people, this means the small amounts found in food are fine, but supplements and extracts can easily exceed safe limits. A single cinnamon supplement capsule might contain more coumarin than you'd get from weeks of normal food consumption. The supplement industry has capitalized on cinnamon's reputation as a benign spice, marketing concentrated forms as if they carry no more risk than sprinkling cinnamon on toast. This marketing ignores the basic principle that dose makes the poison. Even water can be toxic in large enough quantities. None of this means cinnamon is inherently dangerous or that everyone should avoid it. For most healthy people, normal culinary amounts of cinnamon are perfectly safe and potentially beneficial. The problem arises when people move beyond food to supplements and extracts, particularly if they have underlying health conditions. The solution isn't to fear cinnamon, but to respect it. If you have any of the conditions mentioned, talk to your doctor before adding cinnamon supplements to your routine. If you're using cinnamon therapeutically, treat it like any other active compound, with awareness of proper dosing and potential interactions. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next videos. Share it with your friends and family so everyone can use cinnamon safely and enjoy its benefits. Your likes and comments really keep us going. They show us what you want to see more of. And before you go, take a moment to check out these 2 recommended videos. We think you'll really enjoy them. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day and keep healthy, my friends. Bye!